Hey all, Chris Bassett here. I was working on a 2014 Dodge Journey. The stereo would turn on, but there was no volume. So I'm going to show you two simple fixes that are pretty common. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is fuses. On the passenger side of the vehicle, up underneath the dash, just remove this carpeting and then you'll have access to the fuse box. So you're looking for the 15 amp fuse in the middle of the 5. So it's that one right there, that blue. That's your radio fuse. They're like $1 or $2 from auto parts store. Pick that up, see if that fixes it. Just swap it out. There is a fuse puller in the box with you. It's those little yellow pliers there. I'm trying to get it out, but my fingers won't fit in there. But if you do manage to pop it out, it's like a set of tweezers, and it'll actually grab the fuse, and then you can pull it out. So this next fix is what worked for me. If your battery is either low or not connected properly because of corrosion, your car's computer will basically turn off the volume to your stereo to conserve energy for important functions. So upon inspection, I looked down where the battery was connected. It's that green box, and there was corrosion on the negative terminal. The corrosion looked like a chalky white substance. You have to take off your front driver's side wheel to get to the battery connection. I know, nice going Dodge, that's amazing. So I'd loosen your lug nuts, break them loose off the tire, jack the car up, remove the tire, and then this plastic fender has 5 plastic rivets. Don't break them, you can reuse them. Pull those off, then you get access to the engine compartment where the battery's stored. You need to use a ratchet with an extension. I used a 10mm socket, it worked. I broke it free and then cleaned off the corrosion from the battery terminal. After I cleaned everything up, I reassembled everything, and then the stereo worked. If you're not sure if your battery's low voltage, you could buy a voltmeter or take it in to be tested. A good battery is between 12 and 13 volts. Hey, check out this other video right here. There's links in the description to save money on auto parts. Check that out. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.